Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Now, I've been meaning to make videos like this for a long time now. I've just been trying to figure out how on earth I'm going to format them, how on earth I'm going to, organize them and make them into being. And I might as well just start now because procrastination is a hell of a thing, right? So, I just like to give you guys a bit of advice that I, from experience on how on earth it is, that to find a soulmate, to find your person in life, your lifelong partner. Damn, that voice crack. What I did a couple steps. The first step I did was just to stop looking. Obviously, this is a bit, why on earth would I stop looking? Is the whole purpose of finding a soulmate to look? How am I supposed to find one if I don't look? And that's the beauty of it. You're not going to look. You're going to wait for the right moment until they come towards you, because they will. You'll realize that you are the one as well. That's the beauty of finding a soulmate, right? So for instance, if you are the type of guy, you're the player, going out to always get different girls' numbers, go out, get a different girlfriend every single, 2 months. Yeah, living the fast life. If you want to find your soulmate, you're going to have to cut that out because, in order to stop, what you're going to do while you stop searching is you're going to work on yourself. All right. Obviously, my theory is that you going out to look for different girls, getting different, every single time, you clearly are seeking fulfillment. You clearly are seeking something. Either that or you're just a dog. What I did after I stopped searching was I worked on myself. I tried to find some attributes of myself that I'd like to showcase, as the purpose of the channel is, art and animation, singing. I can do a little something. Just working on what I'm good at, working on finding my hobbies, working on enjoying myself. Pause, not in that way. Oh my. It's really important first, as the saying goes, before you find somebody to love you, you need to first love yourself, and you need to first appreciate yourself, appreciate what you got going on. If you find something that you don't like about yourself, work on it and make sure that you can be the best version of yourself before you go ahead and meet somebody that you like or meet your soulmate. So I did all that. And of course, patience is one other thing as well. For me, I always tell it to everybody. Everybody knows that for me, I waited, I prayed, and I just sat down patiently for 3 whole years before I really met my soulmate. In that 3-year period, going through all the geeky stuff, the No Nut Novembers, all those things. In that period, I think it was COVID time in that period as well, or COVID time coincided with that period. So I was there working on my craft, working on my drawing skills. The drawings that you see now, Garrett, just to put it out there, I'm not saying I'm the best artist or anything, or I'm saying I'm the best, I'm producing my best work. I feel like there's still better to come, and I'm going to keep on improving that whilst juggling through medical school. That's what I've been working on, improving my art skills and jumping into animation. And I must say, if you guys can go ahead and look at the videos on the channel, feel free to do that. You can see that the evolution of my animation then to now, how smooth it is, how much I've learned in the period of time. It shows a vast improvement, and I'm just going to keep on improving and getting better at what I do, because now that I have a soulmate, she pushes me. She always ensures that I do the best, put out the best version of myself. She always makes sure I'm taken care of. She's always making sure that I'm never left behind, and I really love that. You need to find somebody who will always be there to push you, and at the same time, you make sure to push that person as well, because this relationship thing is something that you both grow from. It's literally 50-50. It always has to be 50-50. If you want a perfect, stable relationship, it always has to be 50-50, right? But I guess I can save that up for another video. I'm spitting, man. Somebody stop me. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, those are the things. Let me just highlight the pointers again. Just a little resume, right? You stop looking first and foremost in order to get a better outlook of what the possibilities are. You stop looking, you work on yourself, you work on seeing what your flaws are, your pros, your cons, what you're good at, your talents. You work on building yourself into becoming that person or that man that every woman wants. Huh? Oh my God.
Hey there, pretty.
Man, what the is you talking about?
I'm sorry, man.
I wasn't thinking about it.
And then from there, you just make a list of what you expect to find in a girl. For me, I prayed for a very intelligent woman. I prayed for a very beautiful woman. I prayed for a very, very hardworking woman. A woman that reads the Bible, a woman that, watches anime with me, a woman that will play games with me, a woman that will love me for me. Because me, I have a lot of flaws, and I guess I can go through that in another video. I have a lot of flaws for myself that I still have, right? I have a lot of things, or I had certain things back in the past that I was insecure about, but now I'm not that insecure about them. But I'll get to them in another video. Things like that. I mean, it's crazy. And last but not least, you just wait, because the time will come. All right, you don't rush perfection. You never rush perfection. Of course, you've heard that saying before, I would assume. So you don't rush the process. You trust the process, because the process works, and I am a living testament for that. For those who are atheists, I guess, or because for me, I'm Christian. I pray to God, and I ask Him, Lord, please provide me with this woman, provide me with the certain attributes that I want in a woman, because in prayer you have to be specific for what you want in order to really get it like the way you want it. And that's what I did. So you stop looking, you work on yourself, and at the end of the day you wait, and you're going to reap the rewards. Trust me on this, okay? If it doesn't work, feel free, let me know in the comment section below, and I don't know, we can fight it out or something in a game of Smash Bros or something. I don't know.
And I walk off like a G.
I hope you find this video. Just think about it. If you're probably after the video, you probably don't feel like you've gotten the actual purpose of saying, this isn't gonna help me find my soulmate. This ain't gonna help me do jack. Just think about it. Think about what I said. Take time to process the information, and just see what happens. Just wait, like I said. Make a list of the person that you want, your dream woman. Work on yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really do hope this video was helpful for you as it was for me, because this is the same process that I used. And I've had my girlfriend. We've been together for 3 years, pretty much my fiance. I mean, I got the ring here. So I hope you found this video very helpful, and please do subscribe, like. What you can tune into this channel for, you can tune into more content like this. You can tune into art, me drawing, whether it would be waifus for Waifu Wednesday, and whether it would be, actresses or streamers, or, any TikTok stars like the Silva the Kid, Nikki Nanami TV, and Taraji P. Henson recently. This channel is for art, animation, and, well, wholesome stuff, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, please stay safe out there. It's a very scary world. Just keep calm, live good with each other, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.